Okay, so we've got our skeleton and then our thing. And what are we missing? This, right? Because otherwise it's phenylalanine. So this is tryptophan.
Tyrosine.
Oh, sorry.
Tyrosine.
Oh, I'm like too many fingers all at once. Sorry.
No, we're barely at tyrosine.
All right, we're at tyrosine. Okay, so now no enzymes, no cofactors, no nothing. Okay, and no long names, just colloquial names. So now our circle has two OHs. Okay, this is dopa. Now we're moving to dopamine. So here's how it changes. We've still got our two OHs on our circle, right?
Oh, picked up
We
on
can
my
write
box.
dopa, right? We don't
Yeah, just write dopa. Just write dopa. Okay, now there's a typo. We're coming up to the typo in this book, which has been there for 4 years, and they still haven't fixed it, so I find that fascinating. Well, because they have to reprint it, right? And I know that I told them. And I'm sure that 10 other people told them, too. Okay. So, all right, now we're here to dopamine, right? I'm going to turn this off and go that way. Because we're running out of space, and I don't want to smush it all in there. So, in the book, you need to cross out the 2. I'll show you where it is. Like, if you draw the one from the book, because it's in the book, I won't take off in class, on the exam, but I really will. You can't balance it this way. They gave carbon 5, and that's really annoying. So in the book, this is a 2. That's not right. There's only one H. It only wants 4. Okay?
Is there another CH2 in dopamine?
Let's see. What did I forget one? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. This is norepi. And this is epi.
Is that an OH on the bottom or
Yes,
a
that's
CH?
that's
What
an
about
OH.
the other one? No, the one next to the OH. It's a CH?
This OH.
Okay, so
See, and then in this one, it's fine. Okay, and then what did we just add at the end? We just added another methyl group. Where did we get our methyl groups? From methionine, right? So these things all tie together. Even though it doesn't seem like it's right. Okay, so what do I care about here? I want you to name them, right? So I'll start the names. But we know all these names. We already know norepinephrine. We already know dopamine. We already know epinephrine. We know the names. We just have to know the order. What's the change? Okay, from tyrosine to dopa, all we did was add an OH. We just added an OH. From dopa to dopamine, we took away the carboxylic acid group on the skeleton. From dopamine to norepi, we added an OH. And forgot to take away the 2 according to the book. And then from norepi to epi, we added a methyl group. So one change at a time. So I'll put this in here, right? So we added, let's say add OH, okay? And then here, remove, okay? And then what do we do in the next one? Add OH. And then what do we do over here? Okay, we added our friend the methyl group. So I'll take pictures of these. So, one more time to repeat. We did 3 long mechanisms and 2 short mechanisms. On the exam, I'm going to ask you to give me 1 of the 2 short ones and 2 of the 3 long ones. For this exam, whichever ones work better for you to memorize, that's up to you. But you have to give me either phenylalanine to tyrosine, right? Or glutamic acid to GABA. You can't give me, or glutamate, sorry, whichever one you want to call it. You can't give me those 2 and then 1 of these. You have to give me 2 of the long ones, which is methionine to homocysteine, and then 1 of these, tyrosine to epinephrine, or tryptophan to melatonin, okay? So 2 of the long ones and 1 of the short ones, because that's 25 points. 5 points for the short one, 10 points for each of the long
So
ones.
are you just saying that we can like not memorize some and still
Yes.
be safe?
For right now, I am saying that.
Later on, can we write the names of the long ones and the short ones on the board? Just the names.
Yeah, I'll put it in here.
Thank
It's
you.
gonna be in the study guide. Yeah, I'm gonna type it in the study guide. So you're gonna choose 2 of the, and I'll put the name of the figure up here. Okay? Because that'll cut down,
On anxiety.
well, I don't know that I'm gonna be good at that today, but it will at least cut down on what you have to memorize, okay? Don't worry. Okay, take a break. Come back at 12:30.
There's gonna be one